wait, before you head over to whatever video you were watching, give me 30 seconds of your time as I'm going to share with you how you can get my exact six-figure success system, and I'm going to walk you through in a series of videos how to set it up and how to step into profit very, very fast. Now, as you see on my page right here, this is the main hub of the six-figure success system. Now, what you're going to get access to is you're going to get access to this very same system, which I'm going to show you how to set up a multiple income stream funnel, a multiple income stream system, which is the six-figure success system, so that you can start earning hundreds and thousands of dollars every single day without any extra work. I'm going to show you how to tap into paid advertising as well as some free traffic and free advertising so that anybody, no matter of what skill level you're at, can take this system, run with it, and start to see daily profits very, very quickly. So wherever you're watching this, click the link somewhere on this page, somewhere on this video, and get access to the six-figure success system, or you can simply go to sixfiguresuccesssystem.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys inside of the training.